think what's really important for us is, for this information to be out there, and it's not something that I think there's a lot of people that want to keep their workflows cagey and kind of like, secretive or whatever. Like for us, this information should just be very readily, easily available for anyone to just learn. And people shouldn't have to pay like courses in photogrammetry to learn this. This should just be available for anyone to pick up, learn, and experiment for themselves. And so, we will continue sharing. This is only 3 captures of the same building.
Yeah.
I think by the 10th capture, we will have it perfectly modeled.
We will.
In reality.
We will. Don't come looking for my mill though. That mill's mine.
That's it.
If I find operators near my mill, I will be cross. It's not mine. I'm not going to tell you where it is. So I think that's the reason we've done it. We want to share what's achievable. And as Varun's just said, it's only 3 captures. We'll keep capturing until we're thoroughly happy with it. And then of course we'll share all that data.
Absolutely, yeah. And if you have any thoughts or comments on after watching this, if you think how these captures could be made better, or anything you've seen in the past, or any learning you've had in terms of improving the photogrammetry capture, do let us know in the comments.
Yeah, please do.